Welcome to Attendance Keeper. In this video, we'll guide you through how to monitor employee attendance performance with ease. Access the Performance section. To get started, navigate to the Attendance menu on the left sidebar, then click on Performance. This brings up a detailed overview of each employee's attendance and work performance. Review the performance metrics. Here, you'll see a number of metrics that provide insights into employee performance. Total shows the number of days the employee worked. Worklog reflects the number of worklogs submitted out of the expected number. After finishing work each day, employees should submit a worklog describing what they accomplished. Absent indicates days where the employee did not report to work without applying for leave. Leave shows the approved leave days. Average time displays the average time the employee spends at work daily, while average break tracks their break times. Late time in and early time out help you monitor punctuality, showing when employees arrived late or left work early. Filtering performance data. To focus on specific data, use the filter option at the top right. This allows you to search by employee or date range for more detailed analysis. Take action based on insights. With this data, you can quickly identify any issues with attendance, productivity, or punctuality. If you notice incomplete worklogs or frequent tardiness, you can address these concerns and help employees stay on track. That's how you monitor employee attendance performance in Attendance Keeper. With these insights, managing your team's productivity becomes a breeze. Thanks for watching.